everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do a simple shell stitch. Try saying that 5 times fast. That is a tongue twister. Anyways, the multiple for this stitch is going to be 7. So I have 14 chains here, but you are more than welcome to chain how many ever stitches you would like as long as it is a multiple of 7. And this is going to be a simple 2-row repeat. Now I'm going to go over the first row repeat with you once more after we have already got the 2 rows completed, where we are working the first row repeat. In the chain stitches, it is a little bit different than when you go work back around. So just to kind of clear up any kind of confusion. So once you have gotten your chains chained up, we can go ahead and start on the first row repeat. And we are going to go into the second stitch from our hook and place a single crochet. Go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches, and in that third stitch we are going to place 5 double crochets into that stitch. And once you have your chain or your 5 double crochets, go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches, and in that third stitch place a single crochet. And that is going to be our repeat unit for row number 1. Again, go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches, and in the third stitch place 5 double crochets into that stitch. Go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches, and in that very last stitch we are going to place a single crochet. Now for the second row repeat, go ahead and chain 3, turn your work, and in that same stitch we are going to place 2 double crochets. Once you have your chain 3 and your 2 double crochets all into the same stitch, we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and place a single crochet. Again, go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches, and in that single crochet from the previous row, go ahead and place 5 double crochets into that stitch. And that is our repeat unit. So again, once more, go ahead and skip the next 2 stitches. In that third stitch, go ahead and place a single crochet, skip the next 2 stitches, and in that very last stitch, once you have gotten to the end of your row, you are going to place 3 double crochets into that very last stitch. And again, once more for the first row repeat, go ahead and chain 1, turn your work, and in that same stitch, go ahead and place a single crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches and place 5 double crochets into that single crochet from the previous row. Once you have your 5 double crochets, skip the next 2 and place a single crochet into that third stitch. Skip the next 2 into that single crochet from the previous row. Go ahead and place 5 double crochets into that same space. skip the next 2, and in that very last stitch, which is that chain 3 space, go ahead and place a single crochet. So that is your 2-row repeat for a simple shell stitch. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. And if you will, please go check out my other crocheting and knitting tutorials as well. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching.